This is the landing moments at Hamad International Airport, Qatar, by Qatar Airways. This is outside of the airport. You can see the outside. This one is qatar. Now you can see the runway, airport. This runway is, I'm seeing the runway. This is landing at the left side of the airport. Now the rear wheel will touch down. After that, front wheel will land. Yes, alhamdulillah. Yes, we have touched down the rear wheels, and this is front wheel touching the ground. Runway. Thank you very much. This is all about the landing of